Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the PS5 error code CE-110555-7 in 2026. So first of all, before hopping on to the solutions, you need to understand why this error actually occurred. So this particular error is typically relating to the download failures or corrupted updates or issues with installing the game content. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to go to your download/uploads section. Over here, you need to find the failed download or the update. Then when you select it, you just have to simply choose the option of cancel or delete. After that, simply go back to the game's library and start the download again. This particular step ensures that the system fetches a fresh file instead of using a broken one. Next, you need to confirm that your PS5 system is also updated. For that, inside the settings, you just have to select the option of system. Inside system, simply look for the option of system software and then select the option of system software update and settings. Over here, select the option of update system software, then select the option of update using the internet. Now over here, it will show whether your PS5 software is up to date or whether there is an update available. So if you have found any of the updates available, simply tap on this update option and you need to update your device to the latest version. The outdated firmware can sometimes cause the installation conflicts. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the error is gone forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.